morning students. Let's start our new topic, that is the D block for 12th chemistry. D block is the portion of periodic table. Number of time when you open your book, under the cover page you see this table. That number of time you see this table. Structure of this table is this one. That is, you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 up to 18. This type of number is not present on this. It consists of 28 elements. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are periods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7 periods. And these are groups. These are groups. Groups move downward periods along from left to right. That is, the horizontal rows are period, downward vertical columns are groups. The element of first and second group are included in S block because last electron enter in S orbital. From 13 to 18, last electron enter in P orbital, then it is known as P block. Third to 12, group third to group 12th, last electron enter in D orbital. So it is known as D block element. And in these, they are not included under any group, but last electron enter in F orbital, then these 28 elements are included in F block. Beta, these 28 elements are divided into two rows. Upper row is known as lanthanoid. Upper row is known as lanthanoid, and lower one is known as actinoid. Because it is start after lanthanum, this row is start after actinium present in group third. That is lanthanoid in period 6, actinoid in period 7. And they start after lanthanum and actinium. Beta, group 1 to 13 to 18, that is the S block and P block, are known as representative element. Representative element. Then group D, beta D block elements are known as transition element or transition metal. F block elements are present inside the transition metal, so they are known as inner transition element. Or inner transition metal, because all are metallic in nature. Our topic is D block. First of all, why some elements are included in D block? First of all, our question, why some elements are included in D block? Clear cut answer, because last electron of that element enter in D orbital of penultimate shell. Outermost shell is N. Penultimate means before the outermost shell, before the valence shell, that is N-1, and N-1 D orbital. Last electron enter in D orbital, then these are included in D block. These D block elements are known as transition metal. Why they are known as transition element or transition metals? Reason, beta, because these are present between S block and P block elements. So these elements have intermediate properties of S and P block element. Beta, they are most electropositive, they are least electropositive, they present between them. That means they show the character of both. They have least electropositive as compared to S block element, but more electropositive as compared to P block element. So transition means which transit one form to another. That means most electropositive to least electropositive. These are known as transition metal. Another reason to say transition metal, because they have unpaired electron in outermost shell or outermost electronic configuration. Because presence of unpaired electron in valence electronic configuration. Our question, what is electronic configuration or what is journal electronic configuration of d block elements? So beta, journal electronic configuration of d block element is beta जी NS1 to 2. Some cases outermost shell electron is 1 and 90% outermost shell contain 2 electrons. Then N-1 penultimate shell d orbital 1 to 10, and here is the noble gas. It is the journal electronic configuration of d block. If question is that what is journal outermost electronic configuration of d block, then you remove the noble gases. It is outermost electronic configuration. Only this is journal outermost electronic configuration. Beta n is the number of period that consists of d block element. Start from 4 to 7. Your answer is n is 4 to 7. Clear? Now, one most important question arises here. What are the characteristics of electronic configuration? This type of question not be studied in S block or P block in your 11th class. But this question is here. What are the importance or what are the characteristics of electronic configuration of d block elements? Beta, characteristics or features or importance of electronic configuration of d block elements. First one, beta, you see from here, inner core is noble gas configuration. Innermost electronic configuration is noble gas configuration. Inner core of electronic configuration is noble gas electronic configuration or stable electronic configuration. Second one, outermost shell of d block elements consist of 1 or 2 electrons. Beta, outermost shell of these elements, these consist of 2 electrons mostly, but some elements like chromium, copper, etc., 1 electron in outermost shell. You will write NS, outermost shell is the N, that is 1 or 2 electrons, mostly 2 electrons, but some cases consist of one electron. For example, is this one, because you learn the elements of row 1, series 1. Then penultimate shell or n-1 d orbital expand number of electrons regularly with increasing atomic number. When you increase the atomic number, you shift the element from one to another. Atomic number automatically increase. If atomic number increase, electron will be entered in n-1 d orbital. That is the d orbital of penultimate shell. So electronic configuration expand only here. Clear? Now on the basis of electronic configuration, in our periodic table, total number of elements present in d orbital. What are the total number of elements present in d block? 40 elements are present in d block. These 40 elements are classified or arranged in d block in 4 series. Beta, in 4 series. These series are known as transition series. These series are known as transition series or 3D, 4D, 5D or 6D series. Or you can say first transition series, second transition series, third transition series and fourth transition series. Third transition series, 3D series or first transition series will be present in period 4. Period 4, because outermost shell is 4th. Second transition series or 4D series present in period 5, in period 6 or in period 7. Clear? You will remember these 40 elements are classified into 4 series. These series are also known as d block series or transition series. D block series are termed as the electron enter in which d orbital? Electron enter in 3D orbital, that 3D series, 4D orbital, 4D series, 5D orbital, 5D series, 6D orbital, 6D series. And these series are also classified as transition series because element present in d block are known as transition element. Then these are first transition series, second transition series, third transition series or fourth transition series. Beta, elements present in d block, that is the 40 elements, out of these 40 elements, 3 elements of group 12, that is zinc, cadmium and mercury. These are known as d block elements. These are known as d block elements, but are not transition elements. But are not transition elements. Our question, what are transition elements? From here, if we say zinc, cadmium and mercury are not transition elements, then our first question arises, ma'am, what are transition elements? And the transition elements, with the transition elements or transition elements or ions are those which contain unpaired electron. In valence shell electronic configuration if any of the element or ion that do not contain unpaired electron in d orbital or in valence shell are not considered as transition elements. They are non-transition elements. In our question, what are non-transition elements? Our direct answer is zinc, cadmium and mercury. Clear? Zinc, cadmium and mercury are non-transition elements because they do not have unpaired electron in outermost shell. Clear? Let's take an example, that is beta copper. Copper is the transition element. We have studied transition element. Electron atomic number of copper is 29. If we want to write the electron configuration, it is argon 4s1 3d10. It have unpaired electron in outermost shell. That is transition element. Copper have two type of ions, +1 and copper +2. Clear? Beta copper +1, it lose this outermost electron. That means electron configuration is argon 4s0 3d10. All electrons are paired, fully filled. All electrons are paired. If all electrons are paired, then it is also considered as non-transition ion. I will write non-transition element or ion. That is the non-transition ion because it do not have any unpaired electron. All electrons are paired. Copper +2 electron configuration is just like one electron from here and one from this. It contains one unpaired electron in d orbital, just like this. D orbital consists of 5 suborbitals. According to Hund's rule or law of multiplicity, each orbital consists of one electron. If each orbital is fully half filled, then pairing will occur. Beta 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is unpaired electron. If unpaired electron is present, it is transition. But in this case, none of the unpaired electron. None of the unpaired electron means non-transition. This beta electron configuration of zinc, atomic number 30. Electron configuration 3d10 4s2. Noble gas is argon. Cadmium, atomic number 48. Mercury 80. You will write for cadmium it is 4d10 5s2. For mercury it is 4f14 5d10 6s2. All electrons are paired. None of the electron is unpaired. That is non-transition elements. Now you will learn the elements of first series. Beta, you will draw this. You will learn these minimum element that I will write on the board, that is first transition series or 3D series. Elements are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Beta, it is in group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Next, second transition series or 4d series, because last electron in 4d, last electron enter in 4d orbital. It is yttrium. Note B, necessary to learn middle one. Last one is the cadmium. Third transition series or 5d series. It is lanthanum. After lanthanum, 14 elements are included. Then zirconium. Here is the F block element, that is lanthanoid. And last one is the mercury. 6d series or fourth transition series, that is from actinium, hafnium. You must learn this hafnium and zirconium. And last one is not, because 7th period is incomplete period. These series are already discussed, that these are present in 4th period, 5th period, 6th period and 7th period. 7th period or in the periodic table is incomplete, so last element is not needed to be mentioned. You just remember this. Beta, you only learn the atomic number of first transition series. It is necessary for you. That is, atomic number of scandium is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Then lanthanum and actinium are those transition metal that they are exception of above principle. Better, these two show exception from above principle. Above principle said first of all electron entered in lower energy shell and then into higher. But in these two cases, for only one electron entered in 5d orbital and then electron entered in 4f orbital from 1 to 14, then again into d orbital. Then in case of lanthanum and actinium, they do not follow the above principle, only up to this case. Thank you. You will learn this. We will discuss journal about the D block. Thank you, beta.